Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. In this video, I'm going to briefly discuss matters pertaining to corporate secretarial services here in Thailand. The first question most laymen have is, what are we talking about with respect to corporate secretarial services? Well, what we're talking about is things like drafting shareholder meeting resolutions, drafting and assisting with the promulgation of shareholder meeting minutes, director meeting minutes, director meeting resolutions, just the general sort of back office administrative secretarial paperwork that just comes part and parcel with doing a business in the Kingdom of Thailand, especially in a limited company structure. Now, it should be noted that Thai limited companies, at least in my opinion, I'm an American attorney, and to be clear, I'm not a Thai attorney, I'm not a Thai licensed legal professional. I have counterparts here in the office. They deal with Thai legal matters. They're licensed attorneys, lawyers, accountants. These individuals are going to go ahead and deal with these matters much more in depth than someone like me. But that being said, I can sort of provide an overview and assist in liaising foreign clients in understanding how this stuff works. But in a sense, Thailand's corporate formalities and the rules that pertain to Thai corporations are very formalistic when compared to, say, similar bodies of law in, say, the United States or the United Kingdom. In fact, formalism is maybe not quite the right word. Thailand likes to see a large number of records pertaining to the doing of business within a limited company. And for that reason, having Thai legal professionals and accounting professionals who can maintain records related to the doing of business of the Thai company is essential. These records are going to be necessary when dealing with all manner of things that pertain to a business. For example, certain resolutions, shareholder meeting minutes, etc., are going to be required for things like opening and closing Thai bank accounts related to corporate matters. Things as far, in certain circumstances, even the signing of certain kinds of checks or for certain amounts of money on corporate checking accounts. Depending on the resolutions of the company, it may require even shareholder counter signature for such things to be dealt with. In some cases, it may require one or more directors to sign off specifically on certain kinds of checks. Even issuance of certain types of tax invoices may specifically require director signature pursuant to either the corporate resolutions of a company or even just simply the revenue code, depending on the specific circumstances of that case. The long and the short of it is there's not an insignificant amount of administrative and secretarial matters that are going to come up as a result of running a Thai business. And for that reason, having corporate service providers and secretarial service providers who understand the sort of dynamics of these things and can assist in keeping that administrative flow or that flow of administrative paperwork moving along smoothly, that can be a real boon and a real benefit to those who are just seeking to do some business here in the kingdom. So for that reason, it may be a good idea to go ahead and contact competent professionals to assist in such matters, as doing so can greatly reduce the amount of stress and administration that has to be dealt with internally by a company here in Thailand.